Finished your studies in Italy and wondering what's next? This guide unlocks the job prospects and career paths available to you. Transitioning from student to professional in Italy can be both exciting and challenging for international graduates. Let's navigate this path together. Technology, fashion, engineering, hospitality, and business are among the most promising sectors for international graduates seeking work in Italy. Fashion is an iconic Italian industry with major brands offering entry-level roles to skilled international graduates, especially in Milan and Florence. Engineering and technology firms actively recruit skilled graduates. Cities like Turin, Milan, and Bologna are engineering and tech hubs offering many job opportunities. Italy's strong tourism and hospitality industry values international graduates for their language skills and cultural adaptability in global hotel chains and travel companies. Business and finance roles are available in Italy's major cities, especially for graduates with degrees in economics, management, or international business. Securing internships is the best way to gain Italian work experience. University career centers provide crucial support to help you find the right placement. Apply early for internships and tailor your CV and cover letter to each opportunity. Networking at job fairs can help you stand out. Excelling in your internship can often lead to a full-time job offer. Show initiative and adaptability to increase your chances of being hired. Graduates can apply for a permesso di soggiorno per attesa occupazione, allowing up to 12 months in Italy to find employment after graduation. Once you secure a job, you'll need to convert your student visa into a work permit. Start the paperwork process early to avoid delays. Always research each company, practice common interview questions, and dress professionally. First impressions matter greatly in the Italian job market. Avoid mistakes like submitting incomplete CVs, missing deadlines, or failing to learn Italian. Language proficiency greatly improves your opportunities. With good planning and determination, your Italian career journey starts now. Embrace the opportunities and take your next big step.